One of the fireworks didn't explode. It stared. New Year's Eve filled the sky with color and noise, everyone cheering as light bloomed overhead. But one burst lingered, glowing too long. Its shape warped, stretching, forming something round and unblinking. Then another did the same, and another. Soon every explosion left behind a watching face suspended above the neighborhood. People kept celebrating, phones raised, laughing. No one seemed to notice the way the sky leaned closer. The wind carried the booms downward now, slower, heavier, like something breathing in between them.